Have you ever looked at your dog staring into the distance, ears alert and nose twitching, and thought, what on earth are you sensing right now? Well, it turns out your dog might be picking up on things we humans can't even begin to understand. From detecting emotional shifts to sensing changes in the environment, these abilities are nothing short of incredible. Stick around because number 3 might completely change the way you see your dog. Number 7. Dogs see in ultraviolet light. Here's a wild fact. Dogs can actually see ultraviolet light, a whole part of the spectrum that's completely invisible to us. While we see the world in red, blue, and green, dogs pick up details we literally cannot. That spot on the carpet you thought was clean? Your dog might still see the ghost of a stain glowing under UV. Scientists believe this helps dogs track scents, spot subtle differences in nature, or even detect changes in our skin. In a way, dogs are walking around with their own built-in forensic lenses, no fancy tech required. Number 6, they can hear infrasound and ultrasound. Dogs are like living sound detectors. They can hear both infrasound and ultrasound, which are frequencies far beyond what human ears can detect. While we max out around 20,000 Hz, dogs can hear up to 65,000 Hz. That's why your dog knows the mail carrier is coming long before you hear a thing. Some experts even believe dogs react to natural disasters like earthquakes because they pick up the low-frequency rumbles in advance. It's not magic, it's biology. To them, the world is full of hidden sounds we'll never notice, but they're listening. Number 5. Dogs have built-in heat sensors. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. Dogs actually have a heat-sensing ability. Right on the tip of their nose is a special area that can detect even the faintest thermal radiation. That means dogs can see warmth, especially from living creatures. It's one reason they're such amazing trackers. They don't just follow scents, they follow heat. Scientists believe this is an evolutionary trait passed down from their wolf ancestors, used to hunt prey even in total darkness. So next time your dog sniffs the air and stares into the night, they might be tracking more than a smell. Number 4. They sense Earth's magnetic field. This one sounds like a superpower because it basically is. Dogs have an internal compass that helps them sense the Earth's magnetic field. Researchers discovered that when dogs relieve themselves, they tend to align their bodies along the north-south axis. Sounds strange, right? But it's a consistent behavior observed across different breeds. Some scientists believe this magnetic sense helps dogs navigate long distances, even finding their way home across unfamiliar terrain. So the next time your dog spins in circles before doing their business, maybe, just maybe, they're syncing with the planet, literally. Number 3. Dogs can detect human emotions through scent. You may think your dog reads your mood by your tone of voice or facial expression, and that's partly true. But what's truly mind-blowing is that dogs can literally smell your feelings. Studies show they pick up on subtle chemical changes in our body odor when we're stressed, happy, or scared. It's like emotional radar through their nose. That's why your dog may act anxious when you're upset or extra cuddly when you're down. They're not just reacting to how you act, they're reacting to how you smell. Basically, your feelings have a scent and your dog knows it. Number 2. Their paws detect vibrations. Dogs don't just walk on their paws, they feel the world through them. Underneath that cute toe bean exterior is a network of nerves that can pick up on subtle ground vibrations. This means your dog might sense someone approaching or a distant thunderstorm long before you do. It's kind of like having tiny seismic sensors built into their feet. This ability may even be tied to their ancient survival instincts, detecting predators or changes in the environment. So next time your dog gets alert for no obvious reason, remember, their paws might have picked up something your eyes and ears missed. Number 1. Dogs read micro-expressions and subtle body language. Dogs are expert detectives when it comes to reading human body language, and not just the obvious cues. They can pick up on micro-expressions, those tiny, almost imperceptible facial movements we make when we feel something but don't consciously show it. Whether it's a slight tightening of your jaw or a quick change in your eye movement, dogs notice it all. This allows them to react to our emotions before we even realize what we're feeling. It's almost like they know us better than we know ourselves. So the next time your dog seems to understand exactly what you're thinking, they probably do. Dogs are truly remarkable creatures with senses and abilities that go far beyond what we can imagine. From detecting emotions through scent to sensing vibrations and even reading our micro-expressions, they're always tuned into the world around them. So, next time your dog seems to know exactly how you're feeling or reacts to something unseen, just remember, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye.